Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna continue working on part 3 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to add all the furniture. We even added the doors. Now we're gonna continue working on this. What I want to do is to create the entertainment right here and also add like the curtain wall windows right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on the wall and then go to drop down curtain wall, and then here we're going to add going inside, and then this one also I'm going to put it right about here, and then after that click on modify and then click on cut geometry. You select the wall first and then the curtain wall. So once it's added and then cut, we're going to just push it a little bit so that we still have support there, and we're going to make this one floor to ceiling. And of course I want to give some space right here so that we could add in our entertainment system. So I'm going to push it a little bit more so that we have this space right here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this interior, or so this door will be going from the outside so that we have enough space. So what you do in order to relocate this is to pick new host and then here spacebar to change orientation, and then just select this area now. So that's how easy it is to add the location of the, or relocate the location of the door. So here instead of 600, I'm gonna go to drop down and make it 700 as well, similar to this, because we have enough space now in order to access this. Now what I want to do is to add the entertainment system all the way right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add a section, and I'm gonna go right here, going down up to up, so that we're seeing all of this. We can even push this one out only up to here. This is the view range of our section. And then after that, press escape multiple times and double click, and as you can see, we could see all our section right here. We have the glass and then we have the walls right here. And because we're going to add a floor as well right here, we're gonna maximize the height to 2800. So from floor to above, this will be 2800, because we're gonna minus the floor that we're gonna add onto our second floor on our level 2. So here we need to drop this down. So here we can select this and -200. So that's the floor to ceiling for that part right there. And then here we can actually add our model in place. So go to architecture, click on component, model in place, and then we could add in our generic model and then press OK. Click OK again, and we could select extrusion, pick a plane, and we're gonna select this plane. And then here we could create a rectangle. I want it to be floor to ceiling, similar to this, but I'm just gonna give it some space so that it's not too much right there. But this is 2800. So we're going to align it from the floor, and then if you check, this is exactly 2800, and we created some gap here so that we could add the flooring later on. similar to the ground floor that we have right here. It usually goes down for the floor. So now here the extrusion is around 10 only, and we need to set the material. I'm gonna set this material to probably laminate, ivory, press OK, and then OK again. If we check, it's just a small one. That's just the backing of our model. And then after that, then we're going to add something right here. I'm going to create probably so now we're going to create another big plane. I'm gonna select this plane now, and here we're going to select this. We're going to create some space here for some shelvings, and then here we're going to add where we're going to put the TV. So around 800, and the width is around 1600. I think that's more than enough for the TV. And then click finish. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this one a little bit because I want it to be in a different situation. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create some void extrusion, and then select this, and then here we're going to just create some separation right here. And give it some of that. I want to see it in 3D and how it looks. I'm going to make this around 50 for the depth, and this is just perfect enough. In terms of material, I'm going to duplicate this so that they have different materials that I can set up later on. And then let's go back here, select this one again, pick a plane, and we're going to just maximize this. Will be another 50. Great, finish. This is a wood material. Select that and use one of this. Click apply, OK. And I want to have the same void extrusion. This will be 10 only. Copy. And then click finish. That's good enough. And then now what we can do is We could go back to section. I want to add the same material, extrusion. Pick a plane, select this one, and we have the casing here that we're going to do. Offset this to around 15. Going inside, this will be 50 as well. And then this material is the same one that we use on this side. Now this will be going all the way right here. I'll align it then we could just trim and extend right here so that we have this long and nice design right here that we're going to offset around 25. Going inside and going inside right here, and then align it like that. Click finish. I want to see it in 3D and I want to see it with color. Of course, we need to extend it a little bit. I'm going to make this around 100 and then this one as well to 100 so that we have enough right there. This one 100 as well. So now we have some backings there. Go back right here and we want to have some dark backs right here. So what we're gonna do is we're going to create extrusion. We can also add the same materials right here so that it looks much better. Extrusion, pick a plane, select this plane and this one as well. 10. I'm gonna add it right here and then add it on this side. Click finish and then another one. Pick a plane. This I want to be dark, so I want a gray paint. I'm going to use this, the duplicate one, and I'm going to select this one right here. If we see it, it will look like that. We're gonna add the TV in the middle and we're gonna cover some of this so that we have something to look at. So for example, I'm going to edit so that we could add in some shelvings right here. 25 to be consistent. And then we will add the one at the top as well. Something right here in the middle. I want to make sure to have a 25 because that's 1 inch and that looks good. What I'm gonna do is SL split element on those Actually, this one we need to delete, and then SL on this. Now we need to trim and extend. Copy this to this side, and then trim it again. SL on this, but I think we have that one there. SL to trim and extend. And then on this side as well, SL, trim and extend. Now we just need to keep on adding this. And then here we just need to again do this. So might as well just do it, just slice it in the middle right there. And then now you just need to trim and extend on the top part. So just a little bit of work, but the result will be really good. And then I'm gonna leave this one a little bit bigger. And for this side, yes, I'm going to add some as well. Maintain that 25 so that everything is consistent. SL, and then trim and extend. And then delete this so that we have some of that. Copy multiple times in different areas. And then SL on one side. And then trim and extend. And then click on finish. Look at it at 3D to appreciate it. And then we're just gonna create a cover on some of them. Same thing. So extrusion, pick a plane. I'm gonna select this face here, the face that we have on this one, and then we don't need to do anything else, as we just need to put glue lamp, and then 10. We just need to cover this. Give it some space so that they know that. And then copy. Something like that. And I'm going to add something on this side as well. Click on finish, and if we check it, In 3D it will look something like this, and it looks really good. Next thing we're gonna do is we're just going to add a TV so that it looks much better. So go to insert, load family, go back, we have flat screen right here, click open, CM, added right here. I'm going to push it somewhere here, go to section, move it in place, uncheck the stand, and then here what we could do is check the dimension. I want it to really be fit. ET 1585. So we just need to edit this and then copy. And then here diagonal. So the diagonal is basically this one, from this corner to this corner. So to do that, I'm going to try the angle. No, not the angle. Thirteen 41 42. Seventeen 48. So around 1300. I'm going to leave it like this. I think that's good enough. And then delete, and then delete. Of course, if I'm being too much, I could basically move all of this to here. In order for me to justify what we did. So it looks fit. So now it looks like that. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.